Happy birthday, pusang katkat! Kitkat katkat! Happy birthday sa'yo! Late na yung yung greetings ko, pero syempre, the whole month of November, birthday mo pa din. Birthday nating lahat. Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless you. At saka lagi kang bantayan ni Lord. Lagi kang i-heal ni Lord, lalong-lalo na. Yan sa health mo yan. Syempre, pare-parehas tayong mayroong ganyan. Pero, laban-laban lang. Sana, hindi ka na hikain palagi. Tsaka sa family mo. God bless. Maraming salamat sa lahat. At saka, lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ang mga sangre para sa'yo. Happy birthday muli at God bless you.
Hi, Auntie
Bye!
Kat. Happy birthday. Naway ang Diyos na ang pumunan sa lahat ng mga kagustuhan mo sa buhay. And enjoy your day and don't forget that health is wealth. So ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kit Kat! More birthdays to come and always good health to you and to your family. And enjoy your birthday. And anumang mangyari, anumang dumating na pagsubok sa buhay mo, always pray to God and enjoy every single day. And thank you for being a friend of us. And kung may problema ka man, andito lang kami. Kung kailangan mo ng mga kaibigan ng mga baliw, andito lang kami para sa iyo. Okay, no more drama na. Birthday, happy birthday again. And love you,
Hello, Deb. Happy birthday to you. And this going 18. Okay, happy birthday. I wish for you is you always good health. At maging maganda ang takbo ng future mo. Lagi mo ma-achieve yung lahat ng kinakamit mo sa buhay. And laging okay kayo ng family mo, especially your kids. Ayun, basta lagi ka lang mag-iingat. Andito kami lahat para sa iyo. Kung may problema ka man, pwede kang mag-open sa amin kasi love na love ka namin lahat. Hindi man palagi tayo nagsasama-sama or nag-uusap, pero alam mo palagi kami nandyan para sa iyo. Kung may problema ka, pwede kang tumawag kay Ate Immortal or umungat kay Ate Immortal like that. Kung gusto mo nang kausap, nandito rin kami kasi love ka namin. So, yun. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Mamaya magpa-party tayo. At nandyan lahat ng mga kapatid natin para makipart-party sa birthday mo. Okay. Once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Always love you. Mwah! Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na happy birthday and wish you all the best. And marami pang oportunidad na dumating sa atin dito sa Tango. At see you later!
Happy birthday, Ate Kit Kat! Congratulations sa lahat ng achievements mo. Good luck pa sa mga new milestone mo, sa mga gusto mo pang tahakin, sa kung anong gusto mo pang lakaran. Salamat sa lahat ng kalukahan, sa tawanan, sa kagagahan. Thank you so much and happy birthday. More candles to blow at lahat pa ng blow. Sana mata mo be. I love you so much. Happy birthday. And sana magtagal ka pa sa mundong ibabaw dahil nag-iisa ka. I love you. Hemwe.
Happy birthday, Kit Kat! Sana maraming pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Enjoy your day today and more happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Ate Kit Kat. Happy birthday, ate. And wish ko lang sa'yo ay matupad mo yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. As well as yung pag-aaral mo. More success in life, more blessings, and have a good health. and enjoy your birthday. And andito lang kami, Team Foul. We love you so much, Momo. And more afam to come.
Happy birthday, Kit Kat. I wish you all the best in life. And then, enjoy your birthday. And then, more earnings to come, more opportunities to come. And then, happy life. Happy person. Sorry, lasing pa ang lola mo. Lakas ng over. But I would like to say, happy birthday. And I love you. Bye.
Hi, Tikit Kat. I just want to say that happy birthday and more blessings to come. And stay beautiful as you are. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Mwah.
Salat, love you. Laban lang, ganun talaga buhay. I love your birthday, I love you so much. At sana, tuloy-tuloy na yung career mo. God's will, okay? Love you always.
Happy birthday, Kit Kat! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. From Ella Barblat!
Happy birthday, Kit Kat. Stay happy. Stay talkative and cool. Ayan. You had many more birthdays to come. Bulaga. Alright, sana healthy ka palagi. We love you. Love, Kit Kat. Happy birthday. Chip, chip.
Happy birthday, Kit Kat. More birthdays to come. And more blessing. And stay happy. Always healthy. And long life. I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Dito lang si Ate Mimo. Love you.
Hello, Sister Karen, aka Kit Kat. Happy birthday. And thank you for being a good friend and sister to me. And I wish you all the best. And alam mo na, if you have any problems, you want someone to talk about, it's here for you. Your ate. And if you want someone to talk, I'm always here. And always remember that there's a rainbow after the rain. And don't give up, don't ever give up. Just strive for your dreams. Be healthy, be sexy, be pretty, and be happy always. Good luck on your new journey in life. I'll pray for your success. God bless you always. I love you, sister. Mama, chup.
Hello, Ate Kit Kat. Happy birthday, Ate. Wish you nothing but the best. Of course, more birthdays to come. Good health to you and to your family, of course. And good luck to your journey on Tango or even outside the Tango, Ate. You know naman na I'm grateful that I have an ate like you, especially on Team Foul. And yeah. Yan lang po. Patuloy lang po tayong lalaban sa buhay. And but I love you, Ate. And again, happy birthday.
Ate Kit Kat, ang puwet mo. Happy birthday. Yun, I miss you. Sana magkita na tayo ulit soon. God bless you always. Stay safe. Mwah. Love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my love KitKat. Mag-ingat ka parati. I hope to see you soon. God bless and enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye, love love.
Hello sis, happy birthday. Ate KitKat, happy birthday. Sana lagi kang happy at huwag kang magkakasakit. Ikaw pa naman sakitin ka. At sana tumaas ka pang konti. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Hello KitKat. No. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat at nakakasama ka namin. Isa ka sa napakagaling at napakabait sa team na admin. Yun nga, wish namin syempre more blessings to come, more happiness, stay healthy, stay humble, more success in life. Matupad mo pa yung hindi yung pa naabot. Yun. Mahanap mo na yun para sa'yo. Tsaka tanong ko, how many years old are you now? Yan, lagi kong tanong sa'yo. Diba? Yun nga. More, ano pa? More gifters to come. Yun. Diba? Para masaya. Enjoy your birthday today. Maraming sa KitKat, maraming sa utang pa ako. Kasi masakit yung ano ko. Yeah, KitKat, enjoy your birthday once again. Happy birthday. God bless always. Thank you.
Hello KitKat, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. More blessings, good health. Saka maraming salamat sa friendship. Saka maraming salamat din sa loyalty mo sa Team Pau. Especially sa amin sila Mamita, Boss MJs, saka sa mga admins kasama natin sa Team Pau, yung mga artists natin, saka yung mga kapwa mo admin. Yan, maraming salamat. Then celebrate natin yung birthday mo this coming Sunday. Yan, wish you successful life. Yan, not only in tango but outside tango. Yan, your birthday.
Good morning, Gracie. Happy birthday, and wish you all good health and good health and more blessing to come. And hopefully your wish will come true in your birthday. And also, good luck to your new goal in life. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday.